The last in our review of common Agile methods is Lean Startup. The aim of this method is to develop a product and gain customer feedback as quickly as possible. This enables the product to be improved in line with what customers actually want, rather than what the development team believe they want. Lean Startup follows a 3-step process called Build, Measure, Learn. In the build stage, some product features are developed. These features are then tested by customers and stakeholders and compared to the original intention. After feedback is received, the team know if their product meets customer needs, in which case they can persevere, or if it is out of line with customers' needs, the team should pivot, meaning they redesign the product and test it again until they meet customer needs. The features developed for this testing process are called a minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is the simplest version of the product possible, developed at high speed and minimal cost. The aim of the MVP is to learn as much as possible about what the final product should do, as quickly as possible. Lean Startup encourages teams to experiment and test what they believe customers want. Therefore, products should be developed in stages and tested early. If the MVP doesn't meet customer needs, it can be redesigned easily and cheaply. This mindset is known as fail fast and promotes the view that mistakes should not be feared, as making mistakes is the best way to learn. The MVP principle has become common in many Agile models and is encouraged in PRINCE2 Agile, where an MVP should be delivered early in the project.